Got a nice little trail. Look at all this Turk's cap. The bumblebee, he likes that Turk's cap. A nice big oak tree. A nice little plants. The deer are running all around.
Snake.
Where's the snake? Oh, wow.
What is it? What type of...
I don't know, but it's sure pretty. Let's see. Oh, wow. There's lots of interesting rocks here. We're in LaGrange, Texas, so it's very rocky. I see that doe isn't running because she's protecting her babies, so I don't know if you can see it back in the trees. It is beautiful out here. We're just having a little short hike. There's a little deer right here in the woods. Two of them. Yeah, they're gone. That snake we saw, it was kind of tan or gray, and it had a red on its head. I don't know what that was, but we're gonna look it up. Well, the deer are thick back in this in these woods here in LaGrange. It's a nice little trail. We've never been here. All the deer have little young ones, so they're like watching us. Anyway, it was awesome. Alright, well, we're coming back to the end of the trail. That was fun. Anyway, so if you like that, leave a comment and subscribe. Click like. See you later.